Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone lagging problem after iOS 26 update. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version, that is iOS 26, here I will show you how can you fix lagging problem in iOS 26. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage, and from here delete some useless data from your iPhone and make sure that your iPhone storage is not full. So guys, after this you have to simply go to your apps and delete the useless apps from your iPhone as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below, and from here tap on date and time and set your date and time, and then go to background app refresh, and from here you have to simply tap on background app refresh, and after this you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now go to VPN and device management, and from here make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device if you don't use a VPN regularly on your iPhone. So guys, you have to simply make it sure that there is no connected VPN, and after this go back and now you have to simply restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device restarts. So guys, do this, and after this make sure that you are using at least one app at a time on your iPhone and you are not using any app in the background which you are not using or which you don't want to use. So guys, here you can see this. If there are many apps running in the background, then you have to simply close all those apps in the background from here. So guys, in this way you can close them, and after this hopefully the lagging problem will be fixed on your iPhone as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.